Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Chat.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
I'm your host, Mike.
And I'm Laura.
This is our podcast for English learners. We talk about everyday topics using simple, clear English.
Yes, we speak slowly so you can follow along and learn with us.
Today, we have a very interesting topic. It's a classic debate: city life versus country life.
That's right. Where is the best place to live? In a big, busy city or in the quiet, green countryside?
We have different opinions on this, so it should be a fun conversation.
It will be. Let's get started.
Okay, Laura, let's start. I know you and I live in very different places.
We do.
So I'll ask you first, where do you stand? City or countryside?
For me, it is the countryside, 100%. But I want to hear your side first, Mike. I know you are a city person.
You know me well. Yes, I am a total city person. I love living in a big city. I can't imagine living anywhere else.
Okay, tell us why. What is so great about the city?
Well, for me, the number one thing is the energy. The city is so exciting. There is always something happening. For example, last weekend, there was a big music festival in the park near my apartment.
Oh, a music festival. That sounds loud.
It was loud, but it was fun. So much going on. And the food. There are hundreds of restaurants. If I want Thai food, I can. If I want Italian food, no problem. Japanese food, Mexican food, anything.
Okay, I understand. The food is a good point. In my small town, we have one Italian restaurant and one bar.
See? And it's not just food. It's museums, art galleries, cinemas showing movies from all over the world. I am never, ever bored.
I can see that. Always something to see or do.
Exactly. The second reason is convenience.
Convenience. You mean things are easy?
Yes, super easy. Everything is close. My apartment is 5 minutes from a supermarket, and it's open 24 hours a day.
24 hours? Wow.
I know. If I need milk at midnight, I can get it. Also, the public transport is amazing. We have a subway, buses, trolleys. They go everywhere.
Right, you don't need a car.
I don't even have a car. It saves so much money. No gas, no insurance, no stress about parking. I just take the bus and I can read a book or listen to a podcast.
That does sound very convenient. I need my car for everything.
And the final big reason for me is opportunity. There are so many different jobs here and so many different people to meet.
Right, more opportunities.
Yes, you can meet people from all over the world. I have friends from Brazil, from Japan, from Nigeria, all living in my city. It's amazing to learn about their culture.
That is really cool. It's like a small world in one city.
It is. So for me, excitement, convenience, and opportunity. That's the city. But of course, it's not perfect.
What are the bad things?
Well, it is very noisy. Sometimes I hear sirens at night, and it can be very expensive. Rent for a small apartment costs a lot of money. And sometimes, with so many people, you can feel a little bit lonely. It's strange, but true.
That is interesting. So many people, but you can still feel alone.
So that's my view. Now, Laura, it's your turn. Tell me why the country is so great.
Okay, I will. My experience is the complete opposite of yours, Mike. For me, the best thing about the countryside is how peaceful it is.
How quiet is it?
So quiet. At night, the only sound I hear is the wind in the trees, or maybe an owl or crickets.
Crickets? Wow. I hear traffic.
Exactly. It is so relaxing. I sleep so well. There's no stress from the constant noise. In the morning, I wake up to birds singing, not an alarm clock.
That sounds like a dream, actually.
It is, and that brings me to my second point. Nature. I am surrounded by nature.
Right, green as far as the eyes can see.
Yes, lots of green. I can walk out my front door and be in a forest in 5 minutes. The air is so fresh and clean. I love going for long walks with my dog.
I bet your dog loves it too.
He does. We sometimes see deer or rabbits. It's beautiful. I also have a small garden where I grow my own vegetables.
You grow your own food? That's amazing.
It's just a few things like tomatoes and lettuce, but they taste so good, so fresh.
I can imagine. My vegetables come from the supermarket.
My third reason, and this is a big one, is the community.
The community. You mean the people?
Yes, the people who live there. In a small town, you know your neighbors. People say good morning when you walk down the street.
That sounds so friendly.
Very friendly, and they help each other. I remember one time my car wouldn't start in the winter. My neighbor came over and helped me right away. I didn't even ask.
That's so kind. In the city, I don't really know my neighbors.
It creates a feeling of safety and belonging. I feel like I'm part of something.
I understand that. Peace, nature, and community.
But like you said, it's not perfect either. There are some bad things.
Really? What don't you like about the countryside?
Well, sometimes it can be a little boring. There is no movie theater. The nearest grocery is a 30-minute drive.
So not very convenient.
Not at all. You need a car for everything. And public transport is not good. The bus only comes twice a day.
Twice a day? Wow, that's difficult.
And, like you said about opportunities, there are fewer jobs here, especially for young people.
So it has good sides and bad sides, just like the city.
Exactly. It seems we just choose the place with the good things we like the most.
I think you're right. I need the energy and excitement of the city. It makes me feel alive.
And I need the peace and calm of nature. It makes me feel happy and relaxed.
So there is no best place to live, just the best place for you.
That's a perfect way to say it.
Well, that is all the time we have for our main topic today. What a great chat, Laura.
It was. It's always interesting to hear a different perspective.
And now it is time for our favorite part of the show, vocabulary highlights.
This is where we look at 4 keywords from our conversation to help you build your vocabulary.
Let's start. Our first word is from my part of the chat, convenient. Convenient. Convenient.
And convenient means something is easy or it saves you time and effort.
Exactly. For example, I said public transport is convenient because it's easy to use and I don't need a car. What's our next word, Laura?
My word is peaceful. 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 Peaceful is an adjective we use to describe something that is very quiet and calm.
Right. Like the countryside at night. It is peaceful. There is no loud music.
Perfect. Okay, word number 3 is yours, Mike.
It is. It's opportunity. 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 An opportunity is a chance to do something, like get a job or learn something new.
And you said the city has many opportunities for work and for meeting new people.
I did. Okay, our last word today.
Our last word is community. 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 A community is all the people who live in a particular area.
And a good community is one where people are friendly and help each other, like in your town.
That's it. So our 4 words were convenient, peaceful, opportunity, and community.
Try to use them in a sentence this week.
Before we sign off today, we're diving into the listener's mailbox to answer a question from one of our amazing listeners. Are you ready, Mike?
Absolutely. This is a fun new addition to the show. What's the question for this week?
This week's question comes from a listener named Carlos from Mexico. He asks, I love the idea of the countryside, but I work in technology. Are there good jobs for me outside of the big cities? That is a fantastic question, Carlos. Thank you for sending it in.
That's a great question. Many people think all tech jobs are in the city.
Yes, it's a very common idea that all the best jobs are in big cities, but that is starting to change, especially in the last few years. What do you think, Mike?
Well, I think the biggest change has been the rise of remote work. So many tech companies now allow their employees to work from anywhere. All you need is a good internet connection. You could be a programmer or a designer living in a small village in the mountains.
Exactly. Remote work has opened up so many possibilities. I have a friend who is a software developer, and she moved to a small town by the sea. She says she is much happier and more productive because she can go for a walk on the beach during her lunch break.
That sounds amazing. So for Carlos, the answer is yes. You can definitely find good tech jobs while living a countryside life. It's all about finding a company that supports remote work.
We love hearing from our listeners, so please keep sending in your questions. You can write them in the comments section below.
And that's it for our show today. We hope you enjoyed our chat about city and country life.
Yes, thank you for joining us. We love making this podcast for you.
Join us next time for another conversation. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. Take care.